I am here on this sacred land. This is a portal of prayer. This is a manifestation portal. So whatever you put out there, you're going to get back. And today, I am sending in the Sentinels of Gabon. These are the protectors, and they represent our ancestors. So in Africa, their spirituality has many veils, whereas in the West, we can't see beyond one veil. But in Africa, they know for protection to bring in the sentinels of our ancestors because they see all, they know all, and they have our highest and best good at hand. And so right now, today, if people are afraid, if people have anxiety about the future, not to worry. So stand tall, walk tall, enjoy the skin that you're in, and enjoy this magical journey that we call life. Because the sentinels are powerful beings. They're not to be played with. And so when you believe, when you know in your heart that you are magical, and that it's not just you standing in the world, you have thousands and thousands of ancestors standing right with you, holding you, right beside you, hugging you, asking you to dream big, asking you to feel safe, and asking you to step into your power. That is who you are. So Sedona, your vortexes are legendary. I introduce you to the African Sentinels who are here standing at the gate, standing at the portal, and not letting any harm come to any people. We send that prayer out through this magical portal, knowing that it comes back answered. Not just answered, but felt in the energy of God power. So today, stand in your God power. You have permission. We are the Rainbow Warriors. We are the Rainbow Warriors that the Hopis talk about. We have nothing to fear because we are strength and we are power when we stand in the knowing of who we are. We are God beings. And I'm here to remind you of that. And also we are protected by the Gabon Sentinels. These are the sentinels of our ancestors. So you're not standing alone in anything. So the world may crumble, it may fall, it may be confusing to those in the world. But when you are beyond the veil, meaning that you know that you are not this meat suit, you are spirit, then there's nothing to fear. There is only something to embrace, and that is love. Stand in your power. Stand in your love, because in this sacred space, we're calling in strength, we're calling in power, and we're calling in wisdom. We don't ask for it. We know who we are, and as God beings, we affirm it. No one can take anything away from you unless you give it to them. Never give away your identity. Know who you truly are. You are the rainbow warriors, the ones that bring forth the new world. So don't cower. Don't be afraid. Stand in your safety. Stand in your power, knowing that your ancestors are protecting you always. Love you.